Adesso vediamo.
The small one, big one in the middle. This small one is coming back. Okay. And now you can take bananas, sugar cane, and let's feeding.
You have to feed them before you start.
First way, by
I'm not
Chang.
doing this.
Hoppa. Second way by Mao. Bon.
Can I? Elena, can I go?
Can I try Bum Bum?
Let's go. Bon. No rush. You can take many and put in his trunk. Everyone, your pocket. Your skirt, you have a pocket.
Don't go in between two elephants.
Sideways.
Chloe, from your brother. Oh, let's go say
Hold the end
hello.
of it.
Hello.
You said not in the middle, dude.
Not one in the middle.
Don't stand in the middle and feed one.
No, you can stand in the middle of the sideways on the side.
Wait, he said for the big one. Wait, for the small ones we have to.
Ma, do it.
No, you have
Susan.
to. You have to peel.
Did you give them one? On the side with Dad.
Dad, wait, I'm gonna try to feed it in its mouth.
Okay, so come to the side here, Chloe. Come to the side here. No, my side, right here.
Bun.
No, good.
Wait.
Oh, we'll get it. Here, throw this out. Yeah, buddy.
Dad, where'd you throw it out? Dad, where'd you throw it out?
Don't worry, over there.
Buddy, don't feed them too much.
Oh, don't worry, they can eat
Oh,
it.
what the hell?
That's it.
Oh, Claire, come here. Come and feed him.
No, I know how.
Okay. Hey, buddy.
Everyone on that side.
Come and say. So, come here and say it.
Bun.
Cut to the baby.
Its
Wow.
tongue is wet.
Wow.
Hi, sweetie. I'm scared to be hit.
Look at how he smells good.
Sideways, Mama.
Bobby, he can do it. Josh, do it in its mouth. It's wet. Wait, stop.
No, Chloe.
Is that
I'm
okay?
scared. You
Oh,
do
can he'll take it by himself, look.
it. Josh, I put it in the mouth. This is cute.
Come, let's go see the baby at the other
Now, I
side.
want you to, can I get a
Yeah, I
plate?
love it.
Yeah, here, Chloe.
Sideways.
Nick.
So you have to do it sideways and you want to get it into the mouth. That's what he wants to do. Wants to get it in his mouth.
No, you missed what he said, Susan. You only have to go on the side.
No. She was
Oh.
inserting it straight into the trunk. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not sideways.
No.
Side,
No, it doesn't matter.
really? Sideways if you want to get it in the mouth, darling.
Like this. Bon.
Joshua.
Bon.
I did it. And its tongue is wet.
Yeah, let's go see the baby. Come.
Josh, give it.
Oh, hey, buddy. Yeah, bud. Yeah, bud. You feeding the elephant stuff? No. I want to feed the baby.
Oh, yeah? Bun.
Bum.
Bun. Bun. He's so cute. Bun. Hey, no.
Bun.
It refuses to let you put it
Yeah, he wants it like that.
Bun.
Just let him eat. Oh, he's taking too much of the time. Oh, look at him.
Give him a minute, Joshua.
Bun. Wait, Josh, move back. Let him chew first.
Hey, guy.
Oh, sweetie. Dad, can I try to hold its hand?
No.
Hi, why?
You can try to hold. Yeah, you can.
Dad, take
Give him
a
one.
picture. Try to hit. Yeah, it is. Bun. Dad, I need a picture of me holding it. Dad, did we get to go inside with them?
After they eat, yes.
He's taking too much. Here. No, the big one.
Ti volevo fare la foto mentre ti lavi la mangiata.
Yeah, slowly, slowly, Chloe.
Because he still has food.
Oh, this guy's hungry. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, bud.
Baby, I want to get this right here.
Hey, Josh.
Hey, Bum Bum.
No, you don't. Okay.
Hold me. Baby, one for the baby. Here. Hold my hand. I didn't feed him. Yeah, I didn't get to feed him. Bun Bun.
Guys, let me take a picture. Chloe, guys, look over here. Josh, can you just let me take a picture? Claire, look at him.
Okay, come take a picture.
Only go beside it,
Hey,
right?
buddy.
Bun Bun.
Guys, look here.
Everyone, look at mom.
Look at me. Claire, please. Chloe, look at me. Here, Chloe. Chloe.
Oh, look at mom.
I'm hungry. With Oh, crunch, crunch.
Claire, please. Look here. Look what I have.
Don't. Let's do louder and on the side.
Hey, buddy. Wow, Auntie's a great animal. Oh, let's go say hi to this guy here. I can barely see what you can. Come, go stand here. Stand next. Come here.
Then walk. You see? Just go. No. Sit. Just walk first. Walk first. Put Slow.
Okay.
Yes, we are friends. Yes, we are.
Bun Bun. Oop. Echo.
Bum Bum. No. Bum Bum.
Look.
Oh.
It's hugging.
No, she hug you.
I thought it was trying to eat me.
Yeah, hold on. Let me do it.
Dad, get that picture. It was
Did
hugging
not,
me.
Let me do
did not
one.
eat meat.
Let me do one. Bun. Yes.
Closer.
Does it? Yeah.
Wait, Dad, can you get a picture of me?
Cha con.
Oh.
Dad, can you get a picture of me?
Yeah. Nick.
Ma facciamoci fare una foto da lui vicino agli elefanti.
Nick. Where's your mother?
Carino.
Mom, I need the phone now.
Nick, you gotta get the photos of this. I understand. I'm asking you to get something.
Mom, wait, watch this. Hold on. What am I doing?
Just watch.
What? Film? Am I filming?
Yes.
No, get a photo.
Hold on.
Are you ready?
Not really. Okay.
Bun bun.
Hands up.
Okay, I'm gonna do one too. Here, hold this, Chloe.
And also to kiss you. Huh?
Yeah, let me get one.
And then it coughed on me.
Here, let me try to get it.
Wait, did you get a picture of me?
Yes.
Claire, look, it hugs. I just did it. Dad, go closer. Oh.
Xong đi thôi.
Look at me, Joe.
Xong đi. Xong đi nè. Xong đi.
I didn't get my hug. Hold on, let me try
Chloe
this.
did.
Đi.
It was this guy,
Hold on, stop.
Chloe? Or Nick? Okay, good.
Đi đi đi.
Bun bun. Bun bun.
Sống còn đi. Sống còn đi. Còn đi, còn đi.
I got a bit.
Yeah, Nick?
Yeah, but
This one don't be in the middle. This one is first family, this one is second.
Yeah, come and get a hug. Yeah. It's amazing.
ขอนทานหน่อย
try to get it.
ไปถอยต้องรีบถอยก่อน
Okay, Claire, can we get a hug from this guy? Yeah. Hold this, Chloe, I'll help Claire.
Wait, can I just show Claire one more time? Wait, Claire.
Claire, what?
What? Just move. Bun bun.
It's a female.
Okay, Claire, come get a
Try to
hug.
do that. Try raise
Here,
here.
Chloe, hold this. Hold this. Just hold this. Chloe, here, hold this. I'm gonna kiss Claire.
No, I want to do it again.
No, I want Claire to
You
do
guys
it.
keep going in front of my picture.
Claire, come here.
Because I really want to have a
I'll take you with. Come with me. Come with me. What? Then hold this.
Claire, you don't have to do anything. It just wraps around you and you hug it.
Bum bum.
Okay, let me try to feed one. I haven't fed one yet. I'm
Yeah,
just
here,
filming.
go here.
I'm not into this, but I'm discouraged.
Are you gonna let it hug you?
Nick, you gotta go to the side and let him
I
give
don't
you a
want a
hug.
hug. I'm good.
Yeah, you need a hug. Just do it. Wow. Go there, Claire. Trust it, Claire. Go, Claire.
I thought he was trying to eat me the first time because he told me to stand there. And then wait, Josh.
Claire, come with me.
Stay there here.
Okay, she doesn't want.
Okay. Oh, you're scared? Don't be scared. Let me get you over your feet. Claire, come.
Mom, get it.
I can't. Dad has the camera.
Get it.
I'll get
I'm gonna
it.
do
I'll
the
get
jump.
it if you.
Just walk first. Close.
Bun bun.
Close.ใช้ได้เลยเนี่ยฮะ
Josh,
ใช้ได้เลย
Josh, come with me.
อย่า
Claire, come with me.
Claire, it hugged me and Josh.
One at a time.
Do.
Do you want to do it with me?
What happened?
Because the elephant dragged her, that she didn't let go fast.
Big. We have Brandy.
Claire.
You stay there, side.
Claire.
So which one is the mama?
Claire, come with me.
Which one is the mama?
Come with me. Okay? I'll protect.
Claire, we'll do it together. What?
Chloe did it with Josh.
Claire, watch.
Guy is right here.
Okay.
You want me to do it with you? We're small.
Yeah, just go with me.
Hold on.
Okay,
Mama,
I'll
can
go
you just
with
hold
you.
this stick up like
Can
that?
someone
Like this?
Come with me.
Cody.
Chloe, Chloe.
boy.
น้องสม
Claire, go.
Okay, Chloe, hold this. Okay, come with me.
คนฮะ
Don't be scared. Bun bun.
Can I have a picture with you there?
Yeah?
Poi proviamo a farla noi.
Nick, I have it the right way, the way you gave it to me.
Give me one. I want to go with Omar for a second. Give me one.
Hey, you took my best.